Blossom's nose?
Yeah, you want to pet her?
This horse's name is Blossom. Oh, she's blowing her nose. There.
Good job.
Okay, you ready to get up?
You ready?
Good girl. Hold on, 2 hands.
It's okay, I got you.
Good girl.
Yeah, hold on.
There you go.
Me, just
Hold
like
tight.
that. There you go. You
Hold
ready?
tight. Ready? Okay, here we go. Good girl, Blossie.
Oh, look at her ride. Yeah. Very good.
Is that fun?
No. No. Hey. She has separation anxiety from me. Huh? I know she did. I know she did. She's young.
Is that good? Can you wave it to your grandpa?
Hi, Ashley.
Haley, Hannah, no. You stay. Wow, good job.
Good job.
Haley, you stay. Haley, sit. Sit.
Good job. How was that?
Haley, sit.
You ready to hop on?
Sit down.
Okay.
Good
Good
girl.
job,
Good
girls.
girl.
Say thank you.